Alright y'all, we're going to get this fire started just with a tumbleweed, put it right in the center of the basket. And as you see, I got the grill risers up there, and we're going to put in our pizza pan covered in foil, and then we're going to drop in our grill grate right on top of those risers. Now we're going to take the turkey. It's about a 14 pound and some odd change ounces. We're going to cut the backbone out. We're going to go right down the one side, and right about the hip bone right there, I run into a little snag where it doesn't cut perfect, but we just have to work around that. Come from the other angle, pulls right out. Then we'll flip to the other side, and we will cut the other side of the backbone out. Then once I got it out, I'm going to set it aside. I'm going to put it with the other stuff and make a broth. Here's what I call a crucial step. Right there at the breastbone, I snip just a little bit so I can pop it open just like that, so this bird will lay nice and flat on that grill grate. And what that's going to do is help promote even cooking, because it's all the same. It's all laying flat. Then we're going to toke the wings back like she's just chilling. And we're going to put my Uncle Steve's West Coast shake on there. If you don't know about Uncle Steve's, check them out. This West Coast is a Tex-Mex with a punch of citrus. And I really enjoy it on turkey. I'll tell you what, I really do. Alright, so the Weber's up to temperature. You see I got the manual probe reading the temperature right on the cook rate where this bird's going to sit. And we're going to put the bird on. Now we're going to come back and we're going to dust it with a little bit more of our West Coast shake, just to get any little spots that might have gotten messed up while moving it around. And then I'm going to plug in the probe I got in the bird. Here we're about 2 hours and 15 minutes in. And the Maverick's telling me that we're at 164. So let's take a look to see what she looks like.
Nice!
And then we're just going to check it with the Blackstone probe just to double check my temperatures. Now it's time to rest. Alright y'all, so we've let this rest and you saw the leg came off. Man, let's just go ahead and give this a slice and see what she looks like. See that juice? Oh. My knife's just covered in the juice. Let's give her a taste test. Nice, moist, juicy. That Uncle Steve's West Coast. You get that citrus note coming through, and you get like a Tex-Mex type deal. Oh man, killer combo. That's all we got this week, and we will see you guys on the next one. Remember, there's 2 rules in cooking. Did you have fun? Did it taste good? Rock on. Y'all are awesome, and have a great week, everybody. Look at all that juice just from resting.